Hey everyone, and welcome back to RK Travel. Today we're staying at the Palmetto Marriott Resort and Spa in Florida, and this is a Sunset 1 King room. In this video, I'll walk you through the full room layout, including the bed, bathroom, and overall setup. If you're thinking about staying here, this will give you a real look to what to expect before you book. Let's head inside and check it out. Alright, that's a look at the Sunset 1 King room at the Palmetto Marriott Resort and Spa. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to RK Travel, and let us know in the comments which hotel you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tour.